Okay, Doug, so what we're gonna do right now is take a look at this Titan truck. We'll take a quick look at the exterior, quick look at the interior, and then we'll talk about a few features this truck has on it. Okay, Doug, so as we take a look at the exterior of this vehicle, this is gonna be your Titan XD. This will be the diesel engine. It's gonna have the Cummins engine in it. And as you can see, we have off-road tires. This has a lift kit on it, obviously. You definitely have running boards. And the flares on the wheel wells just looks awesome on this truck. This is gonna be our SL trim level, which would be the next to the highest trim level. The only higher trim level above the SL would be the Platinum Reserve. This is a metallic gray. And as you can see, this is a pretty awesome looking truck. Okay, we're going to take a look inside the bed here. And this is going to have a spray and bed liner. You are going to have your utility track system in here. And the tailgate does lock and unlock when you lock and unlock the truck. And you will have a power outlet in the back, just like you would in your home. If you were to lift that, you'd see that under there. So this is the bed of the truck. So now we're going to take a quick look at the interior of this vehicle. We'll start with the rear of this vehicle. As you can see, you do have leather, full leather in this vehicle. You're going to have the center of this rear window for you. It's going to open electronically. It's electric, so on a nice cool day you can open that center part of the window, and you have another outlet in the rear also. So you have one in the rear passenger and you have one in the bed of the truck. You also have storage underneath, which you can fold this out and it sits flat. And as we go around and take a quick look at the other side, you'll have the same on the other side also. So if your family's not with you and you want to haul something in the flat part of the rear, you can fold that out. And both of these are storage compartments, so, and they both lock. And it's easy to get these up and down. It's a 60-40 split back here. So if you want to lift one up and leave the other down, put flat something and haul it. If you notice, you do have where you can tie things down also as you haul different things, and your jack and everything is back here for you also. Okay, Doug, so we're going to take a look at the front here. You have plenty of room in this truck. Again, full leather. You're going to have blind spot warning with this truck. As you can see, you're going to have navigation. You also have dual temperature control right there. You have parking assist. To the right there, the orange button lit up is your blind spot warning, which you can turn on and off if you choose. You have sway control. As you can see, you also have heated seats. And this truck will feature a premium stereo system, Rockford Fosgate system, which sounds phenomenal in this truck. As you can see, this is a pretty good looking vehicle. It only has 16,061 miles on it, so 16061, which means you still have plenty of your 5-year, 100,000 mile bumper to bumper warranty left on this vehicle.